We are pleased to show you the 2015 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, body color door handles, Inside you'll find trip computer, tinted glass, low tire pressure warning. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.